Do we have anyone out here can shout?
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody can shout?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Sister Eva.
Sister
You
Eva.
ready? They're asking for this song that's usually done when I was coming up as housewarming. You know, they would sing and shout and have a good time in the Lord, praising Him for their new home. And this song says, Fisherman Jesus.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fisherman Peter on the sea, cast your net and follow me. Peter, cast your net and follow me. Come on, Gwine. Fisherman Peter on the sea, oh, cast your net and follow me. Peter, cast your net and follow me. Say some come running, some come running, some come calling on Jesus' name. Say some come calling on Jesus' name. Say Fisherman Peter on the sea, oh, cast your net and follow me. Peter, cast your net and follow me. Peter, cast your net and follow me. Yes, sir.
Children, these year, they're the people behind this year Woodlands Club River Fest. These here are the Coaxum. You know them quite well. So how are the children to do today?
We're doing good. We're doing good.
All right.
We're doing good.
Yes, thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. So Brother Francis, please tell us, how did this land here come into being here in lands, and how did people got this land?
We have 47 family members that came together, and they pooled their resources
in the 1900s.
In 1920. And they couldn't pay all the money at the time for the land, so they paid it on a payment plan.
Okay.
And that's how they purchased this land. And the idea behind their purchasing this land is for the community to have a place to come to get firewood, to come to fish, because back in those days they used to live off the sea and off the earth, and they would let people pay a little fee so they could be able to pay the taxes when the year comes around. So they put it for let people come and cut firewood, and again I said for fishing and for hunting. And this is how they came together. But God have given them the foresight to see this vision, what it meant to our community.
Absolutely right. And we thank y'all for carrying on with that vision and keeping them going.
Right.
So God bless the Woodland Club and the River Fest. And next Labor Day, children, join we right up on Centennial and lands in. Because we got there right here. All right.
We'll be right here.
Anyhow.
Yeah, we'll be right here carrying it on.
Yes.
Because this ground here that we are standing on is very sacred to us. Because God had to give them the vision back in 1920 to see what it would be meant to their children and their grandchildren and their great-great-grandchildren today.
Absolutely.
You know, and we'll keep on keeping it on with this property.
And we go back to our roots. Amen.
Hold on, just a little while longer. Hold on, just a little while longer. Hold on, just a little while longer. Everything Gwine be alright, children fight on. Just a little while longer, fight on. Just a little while longer, fight on. Just a little while longer, everything Gwine be alright. Pray on. Just a little while longer, pray on. Just a little while longer, pray on. Just a little while longer, everything Gwine be alright. Gullah Geechee's everything Gwine be alright. Landsine everything Gwine be alright. Good afternoon. How are the children do today? Great God, your belly must have done full. And children in the cracky teeth, tell what kind of thing this year? Boy, belly most bus Francis, will you repeat that, children? Wham! Oh, everybody over here ain't eat yet. Okay, because everybody over there done nam so much a thing ain't supposed to cracky teeth up. Okay, let me try that one more again. Let me see what we get this evening. How want the children do today? Okay, that's a little bit better there. Must have put all the other children were from off over there. All the Gullah Geechee children must be over here, so they understand when we crack your teeth like this. That way though? Oh, now y'all laugh, so then y'all know I've been to talk about the first time. So me glad it will be back here. After 4 years of this your thing that going on. Plenty of time when children are kind of thing and understand all the thing with tech for make something like this year. Stay here. But the elders would tell me, just hold on. And when they would tell you for hold on, sometimes you don't understand what they talk about. Sometimes you have to grow up understanding things. And then if you rather what's going back on and ask them, well, will you tell me hold on, why supposed to hold on to? Then they tell you, just live. And when I get stay here today and know say, honey, I live for see this your thing. Still, they're right you. And we, they're right you. And like I always tell other rest of people later say, well, great God, we've been down yonder and we've been to look for the Gullah Geechee children. I said, well, who you think you've been to look at? I said, where you going to? Well, I've been to St. Helena. I said, great God, and you ain't think so? You see Gullah Geechee children? I said, well, who you would think the nice chocolate looking children be? I said, well, oh, I ain't even sure, because I said, I know. One of the things that everybody been kind down the road, the lonely thing from top of the head. You been to look for, we had a horse cart and thing been going down the road and all that thing like that. Then I have to tell them, say, we got electric now. We got electric, we got all that thing. And who you think been to drive all them big up SUV? I know y'all call them an SUV. And all that thing like that. I said, all them been a Gullah Geechee children. When you done study about what business you been a Gwine in and out and Gwine in and out, people tell people say, great God, when you go and tell them the queen related to everybody. I said, that's a story right there. Stop it, that story. I ain't kidding it. Everybody would did it. I said, but it's sure the family to me. They said, well, great God, because every business we Gwine in, it looked like we been a Gwine to RC family business. I said, well, I thank the Lord. Say, you're gone to we business. I hope you left a shiny thing there when you business. So if that were you to own them, say to my family for, please own them all and go and support them. So that's why when people are coming here now and things like that, then I study about how the Gullah Geechee people can still hold on their culture. And rather us, we have to let them know
because God says so.